is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Bienvenido a otro video. Al fin, guys, finally. I feel like it's been like forever. Este video is gonna involve the flare sign. Ya tengo un chingo que no la saco, guys. Tendrá como un mes, 2 meses, something like that. Tengo un rato. No le he movido, no le he prendido, no le he hecho nada. Ahorita we're about to figure out. Hopefully it turns on. Debe depender la way. It's a Ford. It's built tough. It should turn on. But we're getting ready, guys, because tomorrow we're going to Summer Truck Invasion. Like I had said before, tomorrow is the day that we go to Summer Truck Invasion. We'll be taking the flare side and the Bronco as well. But the Bronco, I mean, ahorita la está usando mi carnal, so esa güey está lista. I just gotta watch it once he comes back from work. But ahorita we're about to check out. Hopefully it turns on. It's been sitting for a while. Look, as I can tell, look at that shit. God damn. And I think over here, this lado is flat. Well, this tire is missing some air. And then check it out over there. It sucks I have to park it here. I don't have a garage. The garage that we have here at the house, no cabe la troca. It has too much shit in there. So I have to park it out here. And it sucks because neta se ensucia bien culero acá afuera. No se ensucia, pero like all the dirt that climbs up on it, you can see right there on the lip and on the rim and on the tire, on the fucking step, todo eso. So right now, I'm about to see. Hopefully it turns on. We can get it to start, take it out, and give it a wash, guys. So, like I said, today we're gonna get ready. The show's tomorrow. We gotta clean it up, wash it up, get it ready. Hopefully we can win something tomorrow, and hopefully we'll be a badass show. The whole crew's gonna pull up. Well, not the whole crew. A good majority of the people are gonna pull up. There's gonna be a lot of badass trucks. And like I said, it's been a minute that I've been to a big show like that, so va a estar perro. So, vamos a ver qué pedo, guys. Vamos a ver si prende la foringona y a ver qué rollo. Ahora sí, mis chavos, moment of truth. Vamos a ver qué hace la flare sign. Let's go, baby. Casi. Vámonos al mero pinche llavazo. Al llavazo. Y eso para mí es llavazo, porque esas pinches trocas, bueno, específicamente esta, no está hacia el llavazo, y para mí esto es el llavazo. La foringona, la black one que vendí, la 4x4, esa güey sí, le dabas el primer pinche click, esa güey prendía. But this one, since all the issues that I have with the motor, it takes a fat ass minute, but right now, and for it to be a long ass time, fue un pinche llavazo. Toda madre la pinche foringona. Está la flare side. Vamos a prender el pinche aire que está caliente. Y luego con su pinche AC con madres. So, ahorita vamos a sacarla. Tiene gas la güey. Vamos a ver qué rollo, raza. Let's pull it out and start washing it, because this bitch is dirty inside out. So let's start with this shit. Vámonos. Alright, guys, so we're out here at the car wash. Nomás que aquí nomás le voy a dar una enjuagadita because of the rims. You can tell the fucking rims están todos llenos de pinche lodo ahí adentro. There's a bunch of dust, so I'm gonna rinse the shit out of it. You can tell los pinches rines, las llantas acá de este lado. Está todo lleno de lodo. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna rinse it right now, guys. Le voy a dar una pinche jugada con las decoras. Y luego de ahí I'm gonna go to the drive-thru car wash. I don't like taking my truck to the drive-thru car wash, but since this truck already needs a little paint job, I'm not really worried about it. So ahorita le voy a hacer una pinche limpiada de volada, and then we're gonna go to the drive-thru car wash para que le den una buena limpiada por fuera. So let me rinse it, guys, and then we'll head to the car wash for real. So let's go. So we're at the car wash now. La razón que I always rinse it before I come here es porque a veces toca gente que no la enjuaga bien antes de meterla en la máquina y a veces no queda bien. So that's why I went. I had a couple quarters left over. La llevé a la máquina. I rinsed it up real good. Le quité toda la tierra, todo el polvo y la traje a la máquina. Aquí estamos ahorita en la máquina. La máquina me cobra $20 and they actually cleaned it pretty good. I didn't want to detail it for the show, guys, because va a llover un chingo la semana que entra, and then since I have it parked in the backyard, pues la neta no jala ese pedo. So ahorita I'm about to leave the machine, and allá afuera la secan y le ponen tire shine y todo el pedo. So la neta se mira muy bien. Right now, once we're done, we're gonna pull up to the back. They have some vacuums. I'm gonna vacuum in the inside, and I'm gonna show you how clean it looks when I bring it out the car wash. So stay tuned in. Check it out, guys. Miren nomás cómo quedó. Shit, pinche troca ya tiene rato que no la miraba limpia. The only thing that's bothering me so bad right now is that fucking light. I bought these headlights from Amazon a long time ago when I first bought the truck. As a matter of fact, this is headlights ya no las puedes encontrar en Amazon. And this shit is fucking yellow as shit. I don't know why se puso así. Nomás porque los demás están todavía clear on both sides. That's the only thing that's fucking bothering me right now. But eventually I want to order some badass lights. Pero for now, I cleaned up pretty good. See what I mean, guys? Pinche rines parecen hasta nuevos los güeyes. Obviously need a polish, but for 20 bucks, guys, 20 bucks y 75 cents for the rims that I did myself. Ahí quedó la pinche flare side. Ahorita nada más le voy a poner un poquito más tire shine, wax it a little bit with my hand, and I'm gonna do that after I clean the Bronco, porque también la Bronco ahorita la vamos a ir a lavar, más que eso sí la vamos a llevar. I'm gonna do everything by hand because I'm gonna try to polish the rims a little bit, and once we come back, I'm gonna wax both of them para que queden las dos shiny. So yes sir, a dejar las dos bien placosonas para mañana. Let's get it. Vámonos. Alright guys, so ya estamos listos. Las trocas están bien lavaditas. We loaded up the grill, the cooler. People are already waiting for us at Bucky, so ahorita la vamos a dar a madres to try to meet them up. Pero ahí está. Está la flare side ready. La Bronco también quedó limpiecita ahí nomás. So like I said, guys, right now we're gonna go meet up the guys at Bucky's, and then from there we're gonna roll into the show together para entrar todos placosones juntos. So let's stay tuned in y a ver quién llega a Bucky's. Let's go. So aquí andamos, guys. Check it out. La flare side mamalona ahí atrás. That boy Efraín aquí. Pedro, la Bronco. Y luego ahí adelante está my boy Eddie's dad and Chapo. We're in the entrance right now. And then we're about to we got a spot, so ahorita get cut here. Ahorita once we get situated, I'll start recording, and once we start setting up, a ver cómo how we set up and shit. No vamos a ir muchos. I think we're just fucking, what is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 trucks. That's it. Más 7 trocas, guys. Sadly, it's just 7 trucks, but we're gonna try to make the best out of this shit. So like I said, it's been a long ass time that I haven't been to a show like this, so it'll be badass. So stay tuned in y a ver qué pasa. Let's go. Alright guys, so we're out here set up already. Miren nomás, esta es la flare side. La flare side, la de mi compa Chapo. La de Pedro. La flare side acá. La Bronco y luego la 79. Miren nomás. Y está faltan otras dos para llegar. We set up the 10 up there behind. Eventually, hopefully we can set up a badass Team Foringa's 10 on there. Pero for now, that would do. We're gonna do a little carne there ahorita, pero for now, we're gonna go start walking around and see what we see, guys. So stay tuned in and hopefully we see some badass trucks. So far, it looks like it'll be pretty good. It looks kind of empty, not like the other times, pero it should be good, guys. So a ver qué rollo. So let's walk around and see what's up. Y nomás, ahí está. Alright guys, we're gonna salir a caminar, pero está bien puto caliente. So we're gonna drive around and see what we can record driving around. So stay tuned in.
Ford mamalona. Otra Ford. Sí, Ford. Oh yeah, I like it. I like it a lot. Un abrazo para el compadre que trae la chela. Compas,
A huevo.
¿Y cuántos vinieron de Houston para visitar por acá?
Ni uno.
¡Verga! ¡Valió madre! Bueno, yo vine, aquí estoy también.
A huevo. Ford versus Chevy. Let's see what's up. A ver quién gana aquí. Una carrera buena. Y de la misma camada. Ford versus Chevy. Who's winning? I think the Chevy, low-key. el placazo.
Bueno, mis chavos, we're out of here. Está bien puto caliente el pedo. Ando bien pinche quemado. We were here all day. I tried to record as much as I could. We had a good time, good cookout. Pero ya nos vamos, está muy pinche feo este pedo.
Ahí está la Flersa lista para irse a la casita. El compa Chapo ahí listo. La Bronco. La compa Efraín. And then a couple of other trucks over here that are just pulled up. Ahí andamos. Check out the dually. Fuck, esa pinche dually está bien perra. Ah, damn. But yeah, guys. Ahí está, my brother's about to take the Bronco. And we're about to dip. Porque ya se acabó este pedo, guys.
Like I said, I tried to record as much as I can. I tried to get as much content as I could. I wanted to wait for the burnout pit, pero está muy caliente el pedo. This just was not going to be it. So we're going to call it a day, guys. As you can tell, no hay un puto quemado. So fuck this shit. Ahorita las cosas de llegar porque ahorita the Bronco is actually overheating. So vamos a ver qué pasa ahorita on the way back home. Let's stay tuned in and hopefully we make it home. So a ver qué rollo. Alright guys, so we made it home. Gracias a Dios todo salió bien. The Bronco didn't overheat no more. Le eché agua. It was good, but I do have to check out why it's leaking. So I will be checking that probably later this week. The other issue that I found out right now with the flare side. Ahorita la parqué aquí. I'm unloading all the stuff, but it won't start right now. It's having fucking ground issues. In la mañana, when I was leaving to the show, I was having issues with this shit. I hit the fuck out of it, y prendió. But now that shit's all fucked up and loose. So yeah, voy a tener que represar el ground and hopefully that does it. Because right now, that bitch does not do anything. Pero, like I said, lo bueno que llegamos todos bien. Ahí está la Flersa en su casita. I just got to unload the grill. Y ahí está la Bronco. So, I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Like I said, I try to record as much as I can, guys. Está bien puto caliente. La neta, salíamos con un minuto de estar ahí sentado parado afuera, like walking, you'll get burned like a motherfucker. So that was not it. I tried to record as much as I could. I felt like I recorded good enough content. The trucks that caught my attention and whatnot. So I hope y'all liked it. Like I said, it's been a minute that I haven't been to a show. Next show in the list is October Truck Madness. So we'll be out there in Houston for October Truck Madness. Hopefully the Bronco will look a lot different by then. And the flare side will be running a lot better. So yeah, stay tuned in, guys. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't yet. Hit the like button and comment. Let me know what you think. Let's go. Vámonos.